one of the major attractions of Dehradun city. Budha Temple is famous for its extravagant Buddhist structure and holy school of Tibetan religion. The temple is located at Clement town and is the cynosure for many international tourists across the world. Several Buddhist preachers and followers arrive here in large number from catty corners. Budha Temple is a Tibetan monastery that is also famous as Mind Rolling Monastery and was built in 1965 by Koshin Rinpoche and few other monks. Developed in sync with the Japanese architecture, Budha Temple complex doles out pleasing and serene ambience and enthralls a large number of people. The complex of Budha Temple was created as one of the 4 schools of Tibetan religion, and was known as Byagma, which other similar schools were known as Sakya, Kagyu and Gelug respectively. Budha Temple is one of the largest Buddhist reliquaries in Asia and is visited by several tourists across the world. The temple is a beautiful place of 220 feet in height and comprises 5 floors in shrine statues of Buddha and Guru Padmasambhava. First 3 floors dole out mesmerizing experience and comprise luring wall painting that may stun everyone. These paintings illustrate life of Lord Buddha and are painted in pure gold color. It is believed that around 50 artists took over 3 years to make these intricate and beautiful paintings. Another major attraction of Budha Temple lies at the 4th floor. There is a steep wooden ladder that leads to open circled viewing platform which provides beautiful 360-degree view to Dune Valley. There is 103 feet tall statue of Lord Buddha which is worth seeing. The place is devoted to the famous spiritual leader of Tibetan people, Dalai Lama. Visitors are completely enchanted by the glorious sights here and love spending time at the well-maintained and decked-up garden area. With intricate designs of paintings and serenity of Dune Valley, travelers get a chance to experience true essence of Buddhism. A small bookstore is also located here that comprises different books on Buddhism. There are different shops that sell clothes, artifacts, handicrafts that are made by Buddhist people. Around 500 Buddhists study in the temple complex. The temple authority takes care of the lamas who stay here and provide them free accommodation, food, clothing and many other amenities.